Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making overnight oats in two ways. The first one is the apple pie one and the second one is our chocolate version. Stay tuned and let's get started. These are the ingredients we are using for today's overnight oats. We'll be making two types. So I have some yogurts here, which are a quarter cup each. Then we have our milk here, also a quarter cup each. We have our apple, we have 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, we have some sugar to taste, we have peanut butter, a bowl of water, and then our oats. We'll also be using some vinegar. Then we use the chopping board, a knife, a spoon, some cups for measuring, and then our jars here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'm going to begin by working on the apple. I'm going to place the apple here. We'll pick our bowl of water, add in the vinegar, just a little bit, about a quarter tablespoon, just to rinse off the apple from any dirt before we start cutting it. Now I'm using a bit of clean water to rinse it one more time, and then the cutting continues. So I'm going to cut it into two and then remove the core or the middle parts. We'll dice it. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. I'm going to fetch them into the bowl. Since apple can discolor pretty quick, we'll sprinkle some lemon juice over it and then mix with the spoon so that it coats each and every piece. And then prevents the discoloration. Then we'll set it aside. Now I'll get rid of the board and then we'll start combining our ingredients. We are going to make our apple pie overnight oats. I'll begin by opening our jar here, bring it a bit closer, then I'll pick this cup and then measure half cup of our oats in it. This is it. I'll add it into the jug. Since everything can't fit and then most of it will pour away, what I'll do is that I'll pour them using this, and that works better. And the last one. This is how it looks like. I'm going to add in half of our sugar. Add our yogurt. I'll also add in the peanut butter. Now I'll add in about half of our apples. This is how it looks like. We'll use the rest for garnishing when we pour it out of the jar, and then I'll add in our milk. I'll stir everything together. Add in the rest of the milk and then continue stirring. And as you can see, everything is well mixed. So this is it. I'm going to cover with the lid and then we'll place in our fridge overnight. Now we are going to make our chocolate overnight oats. Into our jug here, I'm going to add in the oats. So I'll fetch with our spoon. That's half a cup. Now I'm going to use the same measuring spoon or measuring cup, and then we'll start fetching it into our jug. This is the easiest way so that it doesn't spill everywhere. Now I'm going to add in the sugar, the cocoa powder. We'll also add in our chopped chocolate pieces, our yogurts, and then finally the milk. We'll add in half, and then as we mix together, we'll continue with the other half. So I'll mix. Add in the other half of the milk and then continue mixing. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to cover with a lid and then we'll place it in our fridge until tomorrow. It's the next morning and I'm going to serve our overnight oats. We'll be serving the apple pie one. So this is how it looks like inside and on the side. I'm going to use the spoon and then we'll pour it into our bowl here. So this is how it looks like. You can eat it just like this, right out of the fridge, or you could heat it up in the microwave for just a minute. Top it up with some more of the apple pieces, some yogurt, or just anything, and then some of the peanut butter. I'm going to add the apples to it and the yogurt. Then I'll drizzle some peanut butter onto it. And this is how it looks like. Now you can enjoy yogurt, some of the peanut butter, and some of the apple. It's day 2 and we are going to serve our chocolate overnight oats. I'm going to open it. This is how it looks like. I'm going to use the spoon and then I'll pour it in. So this is how it looks like. You can eat it just like this, right out of the fridge, or you could heat it up in the microwave for just a minute. I'm going to serve it with some chocolate. Then I'll top it with some yogurt. And this is how it looks like. You can enjoy with the yogurt and then some of the chocolates as well as the oats. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.